Little people can do many things with little to no struggle in life. Changing your fridge filter
is not one of them.
Okay. Things little people should not be doing. Come on. Lift. Lift. I'm lifting. That big ass head is getting in the way. Lift, pull. Get your ass. Lift to open. It doesn't say pull, it just says lift. Okay. You are a slut. Oh, I hate you. Oh, I hate you so much. Fudge. I'm so scared this is gonna break. Why do they do this on the top shelf? I have to... Come on. Double fisting. Oh. Give me a screwdriver. Fuck you. Otra vez. I brought my flathead. It's me. Oh, I got something. I'm just fucking up the fridge. That's what I got. Flathead marks. Come on. Can you sue a fridge for not being handicap accessible? What a piece of shit. I'm scared I'm gonna break a nail with my coffee. Oh my gosh, there's a fly up here. A dead fly. Oh, gnarly. Put that on the counter for later. Oh! Yeah. I told you. I told you. I told you. Not today. All right.